overcooked. I overcooked it. Like, way overcooked it. Oh my god. I didn't realize I overcooked it that much. I had it before, it was so good. Oh, I fucking ruined it. You're good. That is really good. Need some hot sauce. Where's my there's like a little here, protective seal. There you go. What the heck? This one's thicker. Interesting. The other one was runnier. The same product? I thought it was burnt, but it's actually just really, really crunchy. It doesn't look good, does it? No. It's good though. Try it. Plant-based. Oh yeah. Cashew bechamel or something, and it doesn't look like this. I just dried it out. I like noodles they use. They use these like ribbed for my pleasure noodles. Don't watch me for good food. Look at this. Look what I eat. Yeah, I'm just keeping it real with you guys. This is what I found to eat, and I ate it. I ate it. And then went for a walk. And I let it rest in the oven. And I played a little too long. Dog. Now it's fried out. It's still very tasty. That's really good, actually. The crunchy bits are like little crackers. Isn't it more fun to put more stuff in your mouth? It's good shield. Thing works. Yummer shield works. Oh, it's good. By the way, I'm eating this lasagna. I bet you none of you eat your lasagna like this. But none of your lasagna probably looks like this. Eating the ugliest, most delicious lasagna. Yeah, I am. Uh-oh. Never mind. Spinach. Yeah, it's not burnt. It's just dried out. thirsty though. Oh. Ow, that burned. That one burned. Is there anything more to eat on here? Let's see. It's not that deep. It's pretty shallow. It's like a lean cuisine meal. Remember those lean cuisine meals? Oh my god. I think Pizza's eating those right. 40-year-old Pete's. You know lean cuisine meals? Wow. That's kind of sad. Who am I to judge? Look what I'm eating. People think it's like burnt dog food or something. Much tastier than dog food, isn't it? It looks yucky, but it's good. No noodle. Where's all the noodles? Here. Mmm. Mmm. Oh god, this is so good. Mm. Beans, lentils in there. The last noodle stuck to the bottom. Let's see if we can get it. Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. Got it. There's a piece of noodle in here. You can have this one, okay? She's like, give me some more. That's good shit. I know, right? Yeah. Crunchy little bits. She can have. My dog eats a little bit of everything, so if you want to say something about it, I don't give a fuck. My dogs are always eating a little bit of table food. I can't eat by myself. I have to share with her. If it's something she can eat. I'm just forgetting. I'm just a little bit. Not too much. It's good. I'm not eating the rest of that. But you ate all the new. Oh, there's a little piece of meat here. I had this one. Oh my goodness, that wasn't a little piece. But look up. Yeah. Yummy. Oh, good. No, there's no more. It's all gone. To lighter. I put that shit on everything.